following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey State Police Department. A creature has emerged from the cylindrical item that landed in Grover's Mill, New Jersey. The creature was reported to be shooting flames before going back into its shelter. 40 people have been reported dead as a result of this attack. The bodies were burned beyond recognition. The creature is presumed to no longer be a threat. The following precautionary actions have been taken at this time in case of future issues. Mercer and Middlesex County are now under martial law. Members of the military are now controlling the justice process. A curfew is now in effect. No residents are permitted to be on city streets between sunset and sunrise, without military escort. No one is allowed to enter Mercer or Middlesex counties without official permission. Evacuation orders are now in effect. All residents in these affected areas are required to leave their homes immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A devastating Martian attack has taken place in Grover's Mill, New Jersey. A creature that traveled from Mars used a heat ray to cause several casualties in the city. It is not known whether more creatures are currently en route to Earth. If you see any cylindrical objects falling from the sky, you are strongly encouraged to evacuate the area as quickly as possible. Leave the city in a safe, but expedient manner. These creatures are capable of killing thousands of people in seconds. Most importantly, stay calm. Panicking will only make worse. Stay tuned to news media outlets for more information on this developing situation. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Over 200 reports of Martian cylinders have been confirmed at this time. Some of them have been reported to be disposing black poisonous smoke, which is lethal to humans. All residents of the United States are now required to shelter in place until further notice. Stay inside a building or home. Close all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning. Go into an interior room, and seal any cracks as quickly as possible. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio and supplies for your stay in the shelter. It is not known how long this attack will last. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public. This station will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations proving news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.